welcome to a world where elegance meets the rustic charm of the Aegean Sea. The kitchens of the Greek islands are not only spaces for culinary creations, but are also a reflection of the region's deep cultural heritage. These luxurious kitchens combine the simplicity of traditional Greek architecture with modern opulence, creating sanctuaries where design and functionality exist in perfect harmony. In this video, we will explore 5 unique styles that embody the luxurious essence of Greek island kitchens, starting off with the Mediterranean coastal retreat style. A style that invites you to embrace the laid-back luxury of life by the sea. With its blend of rustic charm and elegant design, this style is perfect for those who dream of a kitchen that feels like a Mediterranean vacation. The use of natural materials such as terracotta tiles, wooden beams, and stone countertops brings warmth and texture to this space, while the overall design remains clean and sophisticated. The color palette is inspired by the landscape of the Mediterranean coast, with soft earth tones, sky blues, and crisp whites. These hues create a serene and calming atmosphere while also reflecting the light in a way that makes the space feel open and inviting. The combination of rustic materials with a refined aesthetic ensures that the kitchen feels both comfortable and luxurious. A key feature of the Mediterranean coastal retreat is the open-plan design, which often includes large windows or even doors that open out to a terrace or garden. This connection to the outdoors is essential to the style, bringing in natural light and the fresh breeze from the sea. It creates a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living, making the kitchen a central gathering space. Lighting plays a crucial role in this design. Large arched windows allow sunlight to flood the room during the day. In the evening, the soft glow of pendant lights or chandeliers made from natural materials enhances the cozy yet elegant lighting, along with the natural materials, helps to maintain the balance between rustic charm and modern sophistication. Textures are another important element in this kitchen style, with the use of rough stone, smooth marble, and aged wood creating a tactile experience. These materials, combined with the soft color palette and open layout, make the Mediterranean coastal retreat feel like a luxurious escape. Whether cooking a meal for family or entertaining guests, this kitchen offers a warm, welcoming environment that is both stylish and functional. The overall mood is one of relaxed elegance, making this kitchen an ideal choice for those who want a space that feels luxurious without being overly formal. It's a place where you can enjoy the beauty of the Mediterranean coast from the comfort of your own home. The cyclic whitewashed serenity style is the epitome of minimalist luxury. Inspired by the traditional homes of islands like Mykonos and Paros, this kitchen is defined by its whitewashed walls and clean lines, creating an atmosphere of peace and simplicity. The palette is dominated by shades of white and light gray, amplifying the natural light that pours in through arched windows, making the space feel expansive and airy. Textures in this kitchen are kept soft and organic, with smooth plaster surfaces, stone floors, and exposed wooden beams adding warmth to the space. The countertops are sleek and modern, often made from polished marble, which contrasts beautifully with the rustic elements. Open shelving replaces upper cabinets, emphasizing the minimalistic aesthetic and creating a sense of openness. Lighting in this design is subtle and natural, with large windows allowing the Mediterranean sun to illuminate the space. At night, soft, ambient lighting maintains the serene mood, with hidden fixtures that emphasize the architectural details without overwhelming the design. The simplicity of the color palette and materials ensures that every element feels purposeful and harmonious. The overall mood of the cyclic whitewash serenity kitchen is calm and inviting. It's a space where the chaos of daily life melts away, offering a retreat that is as functional as it is beautiful. This style's understated elegance makes it timeless, drawing from centuries of tradition while embracing modern luxuries. In this kitchen, the balance of texture, color, and light creates a sanctuary where simplicity reigns supreme, making it an ideal choice for those who value both form and function. It's a space where the traditional charm of the Cyclades is elevated by modern design, offering a luxurious yet tranquil cooking environment. For those who appreciate the charm of the old world, but desire the comforts of modern living, the Aegean Rustic luxury kitchen offers the best of both worlds. This style blends the rustic appeal of traditional Aegean architecture with contemporary touches that elevate the space into something truly luxurious. The result is a kitchen that feels both timeless and opulent, a space where natural materials and rich textures come together in perfect harmony. The foundation of the Aegean Rustic luxury kitchen is its use of natural stone and wood. Exposed stone walls, wooden beams, and stone floors give the space a grounded, earthy feel, while polished marble countertops and sleek modern appliances provide a contrast that brings in a sense of luxury. The combination of rough natural textures with smooth, refined surfaces creates a dynamic and visually interesting space. The palette is warm and muted, with whites, beiges, and soft earth tones dominating the design. These colors not only complement the natural materials, but also help create a sense of warmth and comfort. The overall effect is cozy and inviting, yet sophisticated enough to feel luxurious. Lighting is essential in the Aegean Rustic luxury kitchen, with a focus on natural light during the day and soft, ambient lighting in the evening. Large windows allow sunlight to stream in, highlighting the textures of the stone and wood, while at night, pendant lights or chandeliers add a warm, golden glow to the space. The lighting enhances the rustic charm of the kitchen, while also contributing to its luxurious feel. The layout of this kitchen is often open and spacious, with plenty of room for cooking and entertainment. The use of natural materials helps to create a tactile sensory experience, while modern touches such as stainless steel appliances and sleek fixtures ensure that the space is functional and up to date. This blend of old and new makes the Aegean Rustic luxury kitchen feel timeless yet modern. The overall mood of this kitchen is warm, inviting, and luxurious. It's a space that feels lived in and comfortable, yet also elegant and whether you're cooking a simple meal or hosting a dinner party. The Aegean Rustic luxury kitchen offers a beautiful, functional environment that is sure to impress. Imagine walking into a kitchen flooded with golden sunlight, where every surface glows with warmth and elegance. The sun-drenched Villa Elegance kitchen is designed to capture the essence of Mediterranean luxury, offering a space that feels both grand and inviting. This style is all about light, texture, and timeless sophistication, making it perfect for those who want a kitchen that is both luxurious and welcoming. One of the defining features of this kitchen style is the use of natural light. Large arched windows let in abundant sunlight, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The light enhances the natural beauty of the materials used in the design, from polished marble countertops to smooth stone floors. The effect is both luxurious and inviting, a space that feels elegant without being overly formal. The sun-drenched Villa Elegance kitchen's color palette is warm and neutral, with whites, beiges, and soft golds creating a harmonious backdrop for the design. These colors reflect the Mediterranean landscape, bringing a sense of the outdoors into them. The combination of warm tones and natural light makes the space feel open, airy, and luxurious. Textures play an important role in this kitchen, with a mix of smooth and polished surfaces creating a sense of refinement. Marble countertops, stone floors, and sleek cabinetry come together to create a space that is both functional and beautiful. The use of high-quality materials ensures that the kitchen feels luxurious, while the warm color palette and natural light keep the atmosphere relaxed and inviting. Lighting is key in this design, with large windows providing natural light during the day and soft, ambient lighting creating a warm glow in the evening. Pendant lights or chandeliers made from natural materials add to the space's elegance while also providing functional lighting for cooking and entertaining. The combination of natural and artificial light ensures that the kitchen feels bright and welcoming. The overall layout of the sun-drenched Villa Elegance kitchen is open and spacious, with plenty of room for cooking, dining, and entertaining. The design is both practical and beautiful, with modern appliances seamlessly integrated into the space. This kitchen is ideal for those who love to cook and entertain, offering a luxurious yet comfortable environment that is perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. For those who want to capture the essence of a simpler coastal life, the traditional Greek fisherman's chic kitchen offers a rustic yet charming style that feels both timeless and cozy. This design is inspired by the kitchens of Greek fishing villages, where practicality meets beauty in a space that feels warm and inviting. The key to this style is its emphasis on natural materials and simple, functional design. The foundation of the traditional Greek fisherman's chic kitchen is its use of natural materials such as stone, wood, and terracotta. Stone floors and whitewashed walls create a rustic backdrop for the space, while wooden beams and cabinets add warmth and texture. The overall effect is cozy and welcoming, with a kitchen that feels like the heart of the home. The color palette is inspired by the sea, with soft blues, whites, and natural wood tones creating a calm and serene atmosphere. These colors not only reflect the coastal setting, but also help to create a sense of lightness and airiness. The combination of rustic materials and soft colors gives the kitchen a timeless, lived-in feel. Textures are a key element of this style, with rough stone, smooth plaster, and natural wood coming together to create a tactile, sensory experience. These materials not only add visual interest, but also make the space feel warm and inviting. The use of handcrafted elements, such as wooden cabinetry and stone countertops, adds to the charm of the kitchen. Lighting in this design is kept simple and functional. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space during the day. At night, pendant lights made from natural materials such as wicker or metal provide a warm, golden. The lighting helps to enhance the cozy, rustic feel of the kitchen, making it a perfect space for cooking and gathering with family and friends. The layout of the traditional Greek fisherman's chic kitchen is often compact and functional, with an emphasis on practicality. Open shelving and simple cabinetry provide ample storage, while the use of natural materials keeps the design grounded and authentic. This is a kitchen designed for real life, where beauty and function go hand in hand. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time,